I'm your CBS correspondent Nicholas Stuchly, bringing you the most recent news. Yesterday, the Supreme Court ruled that the mandate on health care is constitutional. I'm here to raise the question, does the U.S. government have the authority to mandate health care? Should they be able to take from the working class and force them to pay even more taxes to provide health care for all? The main question today is, does this affect the liberty and freedom of the U.S. citizens? I'm going to head over to Patrick Elder, my reporter in field, for a more in-depth discussion on the topic at hand.
Thank you, Nick. The federal government is a government of limited and enumerated powers only. The laws passed by Congress must be based on one of the powers specified in Article 1, Section 8, which in respect to individual mandates is the power to regulate commerce only. Therefore, it is unconstitutional for the government to mandate individual health care. It is dangerous and unconstitutional for the government to require persons to take individual actions, such as obtaining health care insurance that have no relationship to their power to regulate commerce. The health care mandate infringes on the liberty of the American people and takes away from our individual freedom of choice in a manner not contemplated by the Constitution. People should be left to make their own health care choices, free from coercion of the IRS and interference from the Secretary of Health and Human Services, whose expanding role now encompasses determining procedures that individuals may or may not have. Since it is your health, I think you should be able to make those choices free from government interference. Obamacare is simply a way for the government to have even more power over the people. For example, President Obama said before the law was passed, "If you liked your insurance, you could keep it." This was entirely false, and in fact, more people have lost their healthcare plans than have gained healthcare insurance under Obamacare. The fact that the government was unable to produce a simple website to provide basic access to Obamacare insurance should be a warning to us all of the likely result of this ill-advised legislation. Thank you.